Ladies and gentlemen, good evening and welcome to a night of world-class mixed martial arts. Live from Taj Falak Numa, this is Matrix Fight Night. Make some noise for Bishwamitra Mayanga Lambam.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's begin the action. Matrix Fight Night 7 is here. We've got the first fighter, Bishwamitra, the badass Mete, making his way to the cage.
Also, this is MFN Fight Night 7. And we're almost feeling strange being back in India, which is so fantastic because the last two have been in Dubai. Tonight.
And his opponent making his way to the cage, Arshian Memon.
Arshian Memon making his way to the cage right now. Whoa! Salil, I'm loving the new MFN song. This is superb, it's lit.
Siddharth Mahadevan, he's just fantastic. The entire family of Shankar Mahadevan, I think, is just power. You know, I think ये power बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. और जिस तरह हमारे fighters भी अंदर cage में आ रहे हैं. Arshian Memon 3-0 on the pro.
Ladies and gentlemen, fighting out of the blue corner, he weighed in at 54.3 kilograms,
okay,
representing Manipur. Give it up for Bishwamitra Mayanga Lambam. And his opponent fighting out of the red corner, he weighed in at 56.7 kilograms, representing Maharashtra. Make some noise for Arshian Memon.
Ladies and gentlemen, brace yourselves. Let's get lit. Let's get banging. This is Matrix Fight Night 7. But let me tell you about this card, Salil. This card is absolutely and so evenly matched. And the action begins. We've got Daniel Isaac as the referee. Whoa! Nice right hand by Arshian Memon.
Remember, Bishwamitra ka ye debut hai in the pro fight. So this is a very, very big deal for him. He's in the blue. He's making his debut.
Salil, I think Arshian rocked him with that big right hand. And then Bishwamitra went for a takedown. We can see Arshian Memon trying to attempt a triangle. Didn't get it.
Arshian ka boxing ka bhi background hai, maybe hai. Do you think that will work a little more in his favor right now?
Bilkul. Salil, Arshian has trained kickboxing at Bowen's Planet in Bombay. And that is known for kickboxing. So he has an advantage there. But against him, Bishwamitra is actually a badass. Hailing in from Manipur, he can actually change the course of fight here.
I think the big part over here is this is the very first match. So as a result of that, with the very first bout, it sort of sets the tone for the entire day. और देखना ये है कि दोनों ही in the first second only have gone at each other. कई बार undercards में हम लोग देखते हैं they just sizing up their opponents in the first 30 seconds, but here they've been at it with each other.
All right, so we've got Arshian Memon attempting an armbar here. Gets a little bit slammed up. Maybe he has the armbar, maybe not. We'll get to see. Kieran Bishwamitra is being very technical. He's trying to reverse the armbar, trying to get his hand out, and he is successful. He's on the mount now.
Points-wise, Rahul, who do you think has actually got a little ahead? Bishwamitra leading right now?
Well, I think it's very evenly matched. And it's only been 100 seconds in the bout. We'll get to see as we proceed ahead, round by round, pound by pound.
The boys have been training for this for the last 3 months. जब fight card announce होता है, उसके बाद they have 2 or 3 months to get into action. And this is a really big deal for them. We're back in India. इनकी पूरी family देख रही है. We're live on Book My Show as well. And so this right now is going out to everyone.
Salil, it's a big pre-Christmas party for all the fight fans in the country. And we've got Bishwamitra on the mount, trying to work his way with an arm triangle.
Are you seeing some technical superiority here with Bishwamitra?
Of course. जब तक Bishwamitra mount पे रहेगा, he has the advantage. And it's a big thing for all our fight fans in Manipur. सलिल ये कार्ड इतना धमाकेदार है, हमारे पास 4 फाइटर्स मणिपुर से हैं and the entire Manipur is rejoicing, cheering all the way for the fighters tonight.
Rahul, you've been involved at the grassroots level a lot with your dojo as well. Do you think that Arshian is a little bit overawed by the occasion? He's not being able to either reverse the moves of Bishwamitra, na hi wo ek aggressive takeover kar pa raha hai. Do you think he's just a little overawed?
Well, yes, because Bishwamitra has a good ground game and he is, see the way he's wrestling with Arshian, that is fantastic. That is so like wrestlers. But I think यहाँ पे जो major advantage Arshian के पास है वो stand up में है, वो उसकी kickboxing में है, वो उसके मुक्कों में दिखा था. He threw the first strike for this bout.
In Bishwamitra making sure he's staying on the ground, not allowing that standing advantage to Arshian. And I think frustration could start creeping in क्योंकि almost 2.5-3 minutes हो चुके हैं.
Bishwamitra ने back ले ली है Arshian की and he's trying to work his way out to get a choke. All right, that's some heavy pounding. We can hear the shots. Boom, boom. Arshian Menon needs to do something here. We've got less than a minute in this bout. If he survives this round, he has to keep the ground, he has to keep his fight standing. Otherwise, we can see a lot of domination on the ground here by the badass Mete, all the way from Manipur.
But the Southpaw also trying to conserve some energy. He knows there's about 30 seconds to go. And पूरी कोशिश कर रहा है उसके साथ में जो support team है, उसको समझाई जा रही है. And I think this is where the important part comes from outside of the ring. What information they are giving because the boys are a little disoriented at that time.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल. और यहाँ पे बिश्वामित्र के कॉर्नर में है रोशन मायनाम. 10 more seconds. We can hear the clapper. It's been a fantastic round for Bishwamitra. And I'm sure all the fight fans in Manipur are cheering for Bishwamitra tonight. That's it. Round number 1. For sure. Salil, round 2 begins. जैसे मैंने आपको, oh, another takedown attempt by Bishwamitra. And Arshian is on the ground. Oh, missed it. Arshian trying to get up from that position, trying to get away from Bishwamitra. Oh, that was superb. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Matrix Fight Night 7. We are going to get explosive tonight. Bishwamitra showing his grappling, superior wrestling here. I think what Arshian here should be doing is get up on his feet and start throwing a lot of strikes on the body, on the face, on the legs.
Easier said than done, Rahul. Right now, he's actually trying to just survive. जहाँ तक ये दिखाई दे रहा है, I think Bishwamitra has actually got him into a bit of a tangle. ये technical term शायद नहीं होगा, लेकिन एक spider's web के अंदर उनको जाल में फंसा के जकड़ लिया है.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल सलिल. एक एडवांटेज यहाँ पे आर्शियान की ये हो सकती है कि आर्शियान का जो स्टैंड अप स्टैंस है वो साउथपॉ है. On the other hand, Bishwamitra, badass Mete, is orthodox. So if Arshian can take the advantage of his striking on the feet, that can be a game changer here.
Rahul's fallen in love with this badass Mete. Mohan's Planet use ही नहीं करता जो Arshian का नाम है.
Has locked Arshian Menon in a triangle.
It could be over.
Squeezing it. It could be over.
Oh,
I think
could be a tap out.
This could be a knockout. Bishwamitra throwing in punches, elbows, one by one, pound by pound, and trying to get a clear domination. Oh, Arshian Menon reverses it. Arshian in the half guard now.
This is the first reversal that Arshian has been able to do in this entire match so far. And I think it's been very, very difficult for him. I think Bishwamitra has come out with such force and such grappling skills. So यहाँ पे मुझे लग रहा है Arshian is looking a little bit weaker.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल सलिल. थोड़ा सा weak लग रहा है Arshian, but this is MMA. Anything can happen any moment. And these 15 minutes in the cage can actually, you know, brings in a lot of action for all the fight fans. And बिल्कुल सलिल, साथ में एक चीज, एक फैक्टर और है, वो है durability. कि कौन सा फाइटर तीसरे राउंड तक एकदम अच्छे से रहता है without gassing out. What? This is amazing, you know. This is fantastic. And herein we can see Arshian Menon attempting an arm triangle. He's trying to do something. Again, a reversal by Biswamitra.
The second round seems a little bit more evenly matched. At least there's some counters by Arshian. First round में सिर्फ विश्वामित्र ही एक तरफा कर पा रहे थे. But once again, he's got him in a tangle.
Salil, यहाँ पे Biswamitra has actually been able to keep the game standing. और एक distance पे खेलें ताकि जो Biswamitra take down ले रहे हैं वो take down ना ले पाएं.
एग्जाम के लिए बड़ी अच्छी तैयारी करके आए, यही होता है. अगर आप अच्छी रिवीजन करके आए और दूसरे अपोनेंट को अच्छी तरह देख पाएं तो आपको समझ में आ जाता है कि कौन से दाव पेच लगाने पड़ते हैं. और आपके स्ट्रेंथ्स के लिए अगर आप खेलना चाहें तो दूसरे की वीकनेसेस को भी एक्सप्लॉइट करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. एंड अगर अर्शियान मैट पर वीक है, स्टैंडिंग में स्ट्रॉन्ग है, बहुत ऑब्वियस है कि विश्वामित्र इज एक्सप्लॉइटिंग द मैट वीकनेस.
बिल्कुल. Less than 50 seconds in this round 2. Biswamitra on the mount. His head is still stuck. सलिल, मुझे लगता है कि जो थर्ड राउंड में वही व्यक्ति जीतेगा या वही फाइटर जीतेगा जिसका स्टैमिना सबसे स्ट्रांग है, जो ज्यादा ड्यूरेबल है. Because both these fighters look tired at the moment.
You know, it's actually very humid in Hyderabad. ये बहुत एक बड़ा फैक्टर भी हो सकता है. इनकी फिटनेस तो बहुत कमाल की रहती है, बट बिकॉज ऑफ द ह्यूमिडिटी द स्वेटिंग इज क्वाइट अ बिट. हाथ थोड़े से स्लिप भी हो सकते हैं और शायद उसकी वजह से, बिकॉज इट्स अ वेरी फर्स्ट फाइट, द एनर्जी इज गेटिंग सैप्ड आउट. सेकंड बाउट लुक्स मोर इवनली मैच्ड. अर्शियां कोशिश करते हुए बी अग्रेसिव ऑन विश्वामित्र.
All right, that's it. That was round 2, ladies and gentlemen. This is Matrix Fight Night.
Also, पहली बार MFN में फ्लाईवेट डिवीजन. अच्छा रिस्पेक्ट भी थर्ड राउंड में फाइटर्स दिखाए एक दूसरे को. आई थिंक वो एक दूसरे को जो दाव पेच मार रहे होते हैं तो एक रिस्पेक्ट लेवल आ जाता है.
Nice. See, this is what I was talking about, Salil. That Arshian has to keep it standing. He went swinging for the fences, got taken down, and again they are trying to do. Arshian is trying to get something, get a submission on the ground. However, it is not effective as yet.
Once again, विश्वामित्र ने अपने कंफर्ट एरिया में ले लिया है और
Akarna gives a.
That's the boxing that we were waiting for. थोड़ी सी जगह मिली और उनका एक लेफ्ट हैंड लग गया.
Some heavy shots by Arshian.
और यही थर्ड राउंड में रोमांच पैदा करता हुआ. आई थिंक अर्शियान को थोड़ा सा ये समझ में आ गया कि ये अगर ग्राउंड पर रहेगा तो ये हार जाएगा. दोबारा उन्होंने केज को पकड़ा. अर्शियान का दोबारा, पहले ऑलरेडी वार्निंग दी थी उनको, दोबारा क्योंकि पकड़ लिया. सो दिस इज बैड न्यूज फॉर अर्शियान.
सलिल, यहाँ पे बिस्वामित्रा एक गलती कर रहे हैं. वो स्ट्रेट अवे टेक डाउन के लिए जा रहे हैं. ही इज नॉट सेटिंग अप द टेक डाउन. आई थिंक व्हाट ही नीड्स टू डू इज हाथ ऊपर रखें, अपने फेस को बचाएं ताकि पंच ना आए और एक दो पंच फेक करके फिर वो टेक डाउन के लिए जाए.
आप जो बोल रहे थे उनकी एनर्जी थोड़ी कम हो गई, शायद यही हो गया. पहले दो राउंड में ही वेंट फॉर इट एंड ही वाजंट एबल टू कन्वर्ट.
बिल्कुल,
सबमिशन मूव और अभी अर्शियान इज फाइटिंग बैक.
Exactly. Herein, Arshian Menon has a dominant position. He's throwing strikes, and we can see Biswamitra badass. Mete is tired. This is such a spectacular position that Arshian has got. Salil, मैं इसी की बात कर रहा था, ड्यूरेबिलिटी की. कौन सा फाइटर ज्यादा ड्यूरेबल है जो तीसरे राउंड में अपने आप को चमका जाए
और अपने राइट हैंड को वो फ्री रख पा रहे हैं. दैट्स व्हाई ही इज पाउंडिंग अवे, मिसिंग द फेस, हिटिंग द मैट. लेकिन अगर एक भी यहाँ पे कनेक्ट हो गया, मुझे लगता है इट्स लाइट्स आउट फॉर विश्वामित्र.
I think Biswamitra is tired. His gas tank is over. He's all right.
And
ladies and gentlemen, your winner for the first bout, Arshian Menon, representing Mohan's Planet.
A good comeback there. A referee coach Dan Isaac just stops the fight. And जैसे कि हम लोग बोल रहे थे, he was pounding away at the mat and he connected 2-3 times and it was lights out for Biswamitra.
बिल्कुल सलिल, इसी ड्यूरेबिलिटी की मैं बात कर रहा था कि आपने 2 राउंड निकाल लिए. तीसरे राउंड में आपके पास कितना बारूद है वो आपको दिखाना बहुत जरूरी है.
Ladies and gentlemen, declaring the winner by TKO, Arshian Menon.
Congratulations.